welcome back to Cooking with Kid Choi. On today's episode, we'll be making oatmeal raisin cookies. Boy, let's get started. So now we're gonna add the sugar, the brown sugar, and the vanilla sugar.
To the shortening.
Yep, to the shortening. In you go. Now I'm gonna add egg and tablespoon of water. Goodbye. So now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. First, roll it down. Hold up. Okay. Oh, thank you, Dad. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's still a little short.
Okay, now add the oatmeal. You probably eat oatmeal for breakfast, guys. I know about that. I love oatmeal. And now, add the baking powder and the baking soda.
And salt.
And salt? I didn't know there was salt in there.
Mm-hmm.
You never told me. Stir it up. Open it up.
Good job.
Let's go. So here's the fun part. We add the raisins. There you go. There you go, raisins. Turn it on. And just stir it. So now we're gonna put the cookie dough on the pan. Hold up. You're supposed to do it
Good
like
job,
that
buddy.
to make it flatten.
Yep. Come on.
Okay, that looks like that's a little bit too much, but we'll work it out. Ah, my fingers are hurting. Now we put it in the oven. Be careful, everyone. It's kind of dangerous. Get adult supervision for this. I got my safety gloves just in case.
There we go. All right.
Oh wow, those look great, Dad.
Yeah, they do. All right, let's plate them and get ready to eat.
So here's our oatmeal raisin cookies. That looks yummy right there. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Peace out.